Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about ChatGPT and how you can use this AI tool to make your life easier. We'll learn what ChatGPT is, how it works, and most importantly, how it can make your life a whole lot simpler. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT, this video is for you. You don't need to be a coding or tech expert, just follow some simple steps and make ChatGPT your new best friend. So how do you start using ChatGPT? Just follow these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Go to chat.openai.com. Sign up with your email or Google account. If you're a beginner, start with the free version. Once you're comfortable, you can always try the premium plan. Now just type in what you want to ask and ChatGPT will give you an answer. First up, let's talk about emails. Whether it's sending an email to your boss at work, sending a proposal to a client, or even just wishing a colleague a happy birthday, we all have to write emails. But writing formal emails can be tough, right? What to write, how to write it, is the grammar correct? It can be a real headache. But there's no need to stress anymore, my friends, because we have ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT, write a formal email requesting a meeting, and it will create the perfect email for you. All you have to do is copy, paste, and hit send. It's that easy. ChatGPT can write professional emails for you, job applications, and even resignation letters. Just give it the right command, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. So, what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and make your life easier. When you have ChatGPT write an email, always double-check to make sure everything is correct. Because it's an AI tool, it can sometimes make mistakes. So friends, that was the magic of ChatGPT for writing emails. In the next chapter, we'll learn how ChatGPT can help you with your studies. Now let's talk about students. Friends, in today's world, there's so much competition in studies, pressure from teachers in school, expectations from parents, and on top of that, the stress of exams. Sometimes it feels impossible to handle it all. But there's no need to worry anymore because we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT can act like your personal tutor, completely free of charge. Any subject, any topic, ChatGPT can explain it all to you. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT your question, and it will give you a detailed answer. Whether you need to solve a math problem, understand a science concept, or memorize history dates, ChatGPT can help you with every challenge. Just type in your question, and ChatGPT will give you the answer. It's that easy. ChatGPT can even search for online resources for you, like videos, articles, and websites. So you don't have to waste time wandering around the internet. ChatGPT will provide you with the best resources, so you can improve your studies even more. Don't just use ChatGPT for cheating. Use it to increase your knowledge, to clear your concepts. So, students, that was the magic of ChatGPT for studying. In the next chapter, we'll explore how ChatGPT can unleash your creative side. Chapter 3. Unleash your creativity with ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about creativity. We all have some hidden creative talent within us. Some are good at writing, some at singing, some at dancing. But sometimes we're afraid to explore our talents because we're scared of what people might think. But there's no need to worry anymore because we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you unleash your creative side without any judgment. If you love to write, ChatGPT can write stories, poems, scripts, and so much more for you. Just give ChatGPT your idea, and it will create a beautiful piece of writing for you. Or if you're into music, ChatGPT can even write songs for you. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT can generate song lyrics based on your mood and situation. All you have to do is come up with the tune, and your song is ready. And all of this is completely free. Chapter 4. Learn something new with ChatGPT. Friends, in today's time, it's crucial to keep learning new things. New skills keep you ahead in the job market, enhance your personality, and make you successful in life. But sometimes we don't know what to learn or how to learn it. And then there's always a lack of time. But there's no need to stress anymore because we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT can act like your personal teacher, completely free of charge, any skill at all. ChatGPT can help you learn it. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT how to learn graphic designing, or teach me how to play guitar. Online resources for you, like videos, articles, and websites. That will help you learn your chosen skill. So you don't have to waste time wandering around the internet. Just learning from ChatGPT isn't enough. You have to practice too, to improve your skills. So friends, that was the magic of ChatGPT for learning. In the next chapter, we'll learn how to have fun with ChatGPT. Chapter 5. Say goodbye to boredom. Play with ChatGPT. Friends, it's important to have fun in life. Being busy all the time makes life boring. Sometimes it's important to relax, to refresh yourself. But sometimes we don't know what to do, how to spend our time. But there's no need to worry anymore because we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT can even be your entertainer, completely free of charge. ChatGPT can play games with you, tell you jokes, tell you stories, and even chat with you. ChatGPT can have interesting conversations with you, just like you're talking to a real person. You can ask ChatGPT riddles, trivia questions, or talk about your favorite topics. ChatGPT will never let you get bored. Don't just use ChatGPT to pass the time. Use it to refresh your mood, increase your knowledge, and entertain yourself. ChatGPT making life easier. So friends, that was. I hope you now feel confident about using ChatGPT. See how easy it is to use ChatGPT? All it takes is a little practice and you too will become a ChatGPT.